Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So as you all know that tomorrow is the budget day and we are going to wait for that budget movement, or if budget goes positively then market may go upwards, and if it shows any kind of negative impact then it may be go down until 17,500 also. So in Nifty one day candle chart you can clearly see that today market opens gap up and it will try to closes above 17,750 and it did not closes above that, but it made low around 17,540, which if you compare high and low, it's around 200 point, which is more than enough as I said. So for tomorrow, if it opens flat and shows any kind of movement after budget for negative movement, if it shows negative movement after closing below 70,600 and budget also made any negative impact, then you can take trade for selling. Target you can set to 70,400 to 70,300. For taking any kind of buying trade, it needs to closes above 70,750 or above 70,800. Then after that, we can take trade for buying. Let's look into 15-minute candle. In 15-minute candle, we can clearly see that one trend line also running here, so it needs to closes below that for taking any kind of selling trade. But my suggestion would be let it closes below 70,600 after budget announcement ends. Then we can take trade for selling, and target will be around, as I said, 70,400 to 70,300. Let's assume that budget goes positively, and if it opens flat and it closes above that 70,750 level, then you can start some buying pressure here, and target we can set to 70,850 first. Next target will be 70,900 and our last target will be round level 18,000. But for that it needs to open flat and budget also need to support market. Then after that we can take trade for buying. So now let's look into Bank Nifty in one day candle chart. In Bank Nifty, it made a positive candle here, and you can clearly see that previous day and today's high also exactly at that same place. So my suggestion would be, if market tomorrow opens flat and if it trades in between 40,800 to 40,600 and budget supports market, then it may be show some positive movement here. Target you can set to 40,000 41,000 round level first. Next target will be 41,300 200, and our third target we can set to 41,600. But it needs to support budget, and if budget goes positively, then we can take trade for buying. For taking any kind of selling trade, it needs to closes below 40,500. Then after that we can start some selling pressure here. So in 15-minute candle you can clearly see that it tried to closes below that 40,500, but it did not sustain there. So my suggestion would be, if it closes below 40,500 or 40,300, then you can start some selling pressure here. Target you can set to 40,000 round level first. Next target will be 39,750 and our third target will be 39,500. So if it opens a gap up, then we will going to wait for it when budget ends. Then after that we can take trade for buying or selling, and if it opens gap down, that the same thing also we can do here. And that's all about today guys. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe my channel, and let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye everyone.